You know, I looked, and I was like,
this is the first time somebody.
Who is that?
I don't know.
That's a tanker.
Alright, it's gonna happen.
I promise it'll happen, Danielle. We'll get you ice cream. You're such a good little girl. I know, but I want to videotape majority of it.
So out of step.
Yeah, come on, left. They don't have a band, that's why.
Good thing this is
got
just
a long way before the guys in front of you was done.
They didn't tell anyone they were hard.
No way.
Which means Max' toes still back there.
I thought I was drunk.
What did he say?
I have no fucking clue. Just gotta lay here and smile. See, I used to march with a band in a little kilt like that. I was like a little kid in a kilt. It was the cutest thing ever. No, no one gave anyone else the memo.
That's nice. That's always a plus.
The Y is here. It's just there. Y2. I miss the bagpipes. I can still play them. Is that really pathetic?
No. That's actually pretty cool.
I do it at school sometimes. Oh, look, he's got a jar with her. She's marching step with her.
She's watching very intently, too.
She's wearing a shirt. There's Montrose right there. Montrose. Are we following them?
What I want to do is I want to sit here and videotape them as they come by, and we'll follow from the back end. They already look good if they'll stop freaking talking.
They can right now. This is a huge department right here.
Oh yeah, real big.
Monsters band, gotta make a scene.
Always.
They march like champs. See, that's how you're supposed to start it. Nobody understands that.